Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Centre asks states to enhance surveillance and take effective measures for prompt detection of Mpox cases. Negrims to soon get critical care block prefab structure to be completed by December this year. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated Rongjeng Model Degree College. Institution aims to boost educational opportunities in region. Congress appoints Eric Karsenteu as ad hoc president of Nongstoin Block Committee, replacing MLA Gabriel Walang following latter's suspension. And tourist hotspot, Dauki suffers as bad road condition affects local economy. The news in detail. Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Dr. P.K. Mishra chaired a high-level meeting yesterday to review the status of preparedness for Mpox or monkeypox in the country and related public health measures. He said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been continuously monitoring the Mpox situation. During the meeting, Dr. Mishra directed states to enhance surveillance and take effective measures for prompt detection of cases. He further directed that the testing laboratories network should be geared up for early diagnosis. The Mpox infection are generally self-limiting, lasting between 2 to 4 weeks, and the Mpox patients usually recover with supportive medical care and management. The Mpox transmission happens through prolonged and close contact with an infected patient. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today greeted people on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. In a message, the President said this festival strengthens our determination to protect the rights of women. Meanwhile, in a social media post, the Prime Minister wished that this holy festival would bring sweetness in relationships, happiness, prosperity and good fortune in people's life. Meanwhile, in Shillong, Mahila Samitis tied Raksha Sudra on the wrists of their military brothers who are away from their homes and engaged in serving the country, wishing them a bright future. Soldiers of 67 Battalion of the Central Reserve Police Force in Polo, Shillong tied Rakhi thread on their wrists as their sisters prayed to God for their protection. Negrims in Shillong would soon get a critical care block sanctioned by the central government under the PM Abhim. Negrims Director Dr. Nalin Mehta today said that the prefab structure is coming up well and the 150-bedded block will be completed by December this year. The critical care block would be of great benefit to the state as it would deal with contagious diseases. Meanwhile, Dr. Mehta informed that they are looking to put the entire institute premises under CCTV surveillance and would ensure mobile connectivity in certain parts which does not get proper mobile coverage.
Stand that we must have critical care blocks in multiple institutions, which would be ready to cater to contagions like COVID-19, so that the rest of the hospital can function normally. And any cases which are part of the contagion related ones would be isolated in a critical care block. And critical care in the sense because they would be given ICU, HDU care and a proper, the ventilators would be there and trained, competent people to look after them.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated a Rongjeng Model Degree College in East Garo Hills today. The institution, constructed at a cost of Rs 12 crores under the Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA 2.0 scheme, aims to boost educational opportunities in the region. In his speech, Sangma said the college will provide impetus for growth of higher education in the region. The inauguration was also attended by Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma, among other government officials. The East Khasi Hills District Police, led by Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtinger, has intensified its effort to enforce prohibition on tinted glasses in vehicles. As part of a special drive to ensure compliance with the Motor Vehicle Act and a Supreme Court order, the police have stripped around 800 vehicles of the tinted glasses and compounded them. Round-the-clock checks are being conducted at various nakas. This initiative aims to enhance road safety and prevent crimes. Violators will face penalties as outlined in the legal framework.
Figure from 14 to 1st August, we have detected 408 vehicles, those with tinted glass, and they have been removed and compounded. From 2nd to 8th August, we have detected 181. All the tinted glass has been removed and compounded. Then again from 10 to till this evening, we have detected 163 removed and compounded. Till date, we have removed 752 numbers of vehicles using this tinted glass.
The Khon Nyotrap National Awakening Movement, or KNAM, today organized a one-day sit-in demonstration on Malki Football Ground, protesting the state government's inaction on their demand to eliminate personal interviews from the recruitment process for Group B, C and D positions. KNAM's working president Thomas Pasa argued that recruitment should be based solely on written examinations to ensure that the most deserving candidates are selected, thereby reducing opportunities for nepotism and ensuring a transparent process.
In the country also have done away with the personal interview. The only core objective is so that we have a very clean way of recruitment for government jobs, so that we do away with nepotism, corrupt way of employment. And similarly, we want the same to happen in the state. But we are very sad to inform that for the past more than 1 year now, the MD government has been turning a blind eye to these very important demands, which can only benefit the youth of the state.
Following the 6-year suspension of Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Waklang from the Congress, the Nongstoin Block Congress Committee has elected Bormanding Nonglang as the ad hoc president of the Nongstoin Block Congress Committee. Replacing the local MLA, this decision was taken on August 17 during a special meeting. It may be reminded that Waklang was recently suspended due to anti-party activities. Meanwhile, 14 Son Linkhoi was appointed as the new General Secretary and also oversee the Maushenrut Block Congress Committee. Everybody is familiar with the name Dauki, a picturesque village that has attracted tourists worldwide with its pristine Umngot River and stunning Rumpum valleys. The area offers various tourism amenities including homestays, hotels and restaurants. However, the poor road conditions act as a deterrent for tourists, affecting the local economy. Headman of Dauki, Mankrao Ring Sky, highlighted the deplorable state of the Peninsula Dauki Road, which impacts villagers who rely on tourism for their livelihood. He urged the government to expedite road repairs and also drew attention to the outdated Dauki Bridge, which poses a risk to pedestrians due to heavy truck traffic and lack of maintenance.
Thì nghi cái năng lực năng quan luôn hapang sistem gini kibalik school di kelas di college tak deh baru ke sarkar ke ka promote ke tourism thì cái đi ban để bahai surong man senam bahai surong kam tam ini ke jingki yang wak muat no cái jingki yang ke bala rim tam apa ka state dari kemudian kita kan maintenance thì nak propose nam thì kerpa bai sarkar ba kan ni mo ka maintenance kam tam ka rong ki grease ki di ban pe ban check in jiking.
Members of the All Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Teachers Association today attributed the delay for the release of their salary to the agitation taken out by members of the SSA non-teaching staff. According to the president of the association, Aristotle Rimbai, they are not against any democratic protests. However, the same should not have adverse effect on others. He has urged the government to find out ways and means to resolve this issue at the earliest.
Banangan jogi ka association kawai kawangi ko akan credential. Banginom compromise. Batno lakadai bat ka government, lakadai bat kita ki non-teaching staff, lani whoever may be. As far as SSA teachers' right is concerned, nginam compromise, ngindawabe, ialah ka hok la jong ya ka bangi dai banyo la ka dai ka salary la dai la ka dai ka no ka benda ka dai ka hok jong ikno hikaya sese compromise la ka dai hakano ano ko.
The Entrepreneurship Development Center EDC, in collaboration with the IQAC of Ribhoi College, inaugurated a 3-day awareness program on Entrepreneurship Today, theme Exploring Opportunities. The event, which began today, will continue till August 21st. Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, Abhilash Baranwal, attended the event as a chief guest. The program will include participants from local villages, schools and colleges throughout the district. In his address, the DC emphasized the importance of youth aspiring to be job creators rather than job seekers.
It's easy to say that start your own business. It's easy to say that become a job provider. However, the Entrepreneurship Development Center, as I have been given to understand, is basically to provide you the same confidence. The objective of this EDC should be to provide you the necessary toolkit, and through that toolkit the necessary confidence so that you can venture out in the unknown journey.
The Directorate of Commerce and Industries today launched a 5-day training program on bakery and confectionery at the Institute of Hotel Management, Maudiangdiang, under the RAMP scheme. The program aims to enhance entrepreneurs' skills and knowledge, contributing to their business growth. Joint Director M.L. Wanshnong stated that the training will help refine bakery products and support the booming home-based bakery industry in the state. He noted that setting up a bakery has become easier with many young entrepreneurs venturing into the business. Keeping their bitter rivalry aside, thousands of fans of Calcutta's 3 big football clubs, Mohun Bagan, East Bengal and Mohammed Medan Sporting, came together yesterday to protest against the rape and murder of R.G. Kar Medical College doctor. The fans started assembling around 4 p.m. in front of the VIP gate of the Salt Lake Stadium, where the Durand Cup Derby match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal was scheduled, but only to be called off by the administration, fearing security concerns. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 24.3 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature recorded 17 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 87%. Relative humidity in the evening was 88%. Rainfall 3.1 millimeter. The forecast: moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Centre asks states to enhance surveillance and take effective measures for prompt detection of Mpox cases. Migrants to soon get critical care block prefab structure to be completed by December this year. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated Rongjeng Model Degree College institution aims to boost educational opportunities in region. Congress appoints Eric Hasanteu as ad hoc president of Nongstoin Block Committee, replacing MLA Gabriel Watlang following latter's suspension. And tourist hotspot Dauki suffers as bad road condition affects local economy. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Thank you for joining us and have yourself a good night.